Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have quite a big haul video for you, and this is a haul from Kmart, our favorite, Big W and Target. So they are all current items that I've literally picked up this week, so I thought I will definitely share them with you. So in no particular order, let me just go with Kmart. So this I have worn, so it's super crinkled. It's just a long sleeve like t-shirt that I thought would be great for winter. The lighting is, hopefully that's better. Now I know it's super hard to show you guys some clothing items. You can see a bit of a sneak peek of what's coming. So this is just the Anko brand. I got this in a size 10, and again, I just think that these are great for winter, for like layering, and they're about $6, so super affordable as well. So if you haven't already, definitely pick one of these up. Oh my god, I feel so out of breath. Okay, the next item is very unorganized. One of these containers. So they actually have a new style out. These are the fridge saver, food saver containers. So this is the larger size. I have actually started using this already. It's got nothing in it at the moment. But I am obsessed with these. These are so amazing. If you haven't tried them, again, definitely try them, because they literally make your food last so much longer. Like, they actually do work. So I highly recommend. They do come in 2 sizes, but there's actually, I don't know what's happening. My lights just went off. Very strange. They do have a new design out. So this is the older one, but I already have a couple of these, so I wanted the same. So they look great and they really work. So definitely pick these up. Oh, I feel so out of breath. Okay, the next item is this. The Anko brand Mortar and Pestle. So this is what the actual product looks like. Can I just tell you, it is such good quality. It is so heavy and it is just crazy amazing quality. This was $13, and I actually picked this up for an interesting reason. I have to take some medication at the moment, and I was going fine. The tablets were, well, they are quite big, and then all of a sudden my body's like, no, I am not letting you swallow these tablets. So I did some Googling and I heard you can use one of these to crush it up and like have it with jam or something, which is what I've been doing. So random purchase. But if you're looking for one of these, they are incredible quality. I highly recommend. The next is a gift for my niece. So I got her the biggest box of favorites that they had in store. So, I mean, what kid doesn't like chocolates? And these were like half price as well. So I feel like, oh, this video is a disaster. I feel like she will obviously love that. She's turning 10, super hard to buy for, but then I found this. So it's a crystal science kit, and you basically grow your own crystals, which I thought is super different. I don't know if she'll like it, but I just thought something different. This was $15. They actually have a few different types. So if you are looking for like gift sets like that for kids, then definitely check out Kmart. They have a heap of different things, which I love. Let's go on to, oh no, Kmart still. Picked up another pair of these shoes. So they were $10 down to $5. They are just plain white basic shoes, which I really like. I wear Superga shoes, but they're super dirty and they're also like $80. So I thought if the Kmart ones work, why not? So I thought I'd grab these for $5 and at least just give them a go. So next we will go Big W. So Big W, I just got 2 dresses. So this one was just randomly on the shelf. Really hard to show you. This, so it's actually a maternity dress, which, you know, interesting, but I really like the design. So it's like a long dress, and then it just has the frill at the bottom, but I really liked the pattern. I think the color suits me as well, so I thought I would pick that up, and it just has a little clasp on the back there, if you can see, so that was really cute. But yeah, I don't know, I couldn't see any more, so I just feel like that was randomly there. And then the next one was definitely new season, which is why I went to the store. So this is very different for me. So this is what it looks like. So a very colorful pattern. It has an elastic waistband, obviously long sleeve, and then like the same vibe. So it just goes down, and then it has the little frill section down the bottom. But yeah, I'm not sure about this dress. It's very, very different. So haven't decided. And then I went to Target. I picked up this bath bomb for my niece's present. So I'm going to add that with the crystal set and the chocolates. This was only $1. So I thought, why not? Like, so cheap. And then the next item I got is this like ribbed knit dress. I actually bought this for our work awards night, which is like in a few months, but it's just super casual, but you can dress it up. It is big because it's in the size extra large. It was usually $49 and it was down to $20. When I scanned it, it came down to $60 as well. My dogs are barking and our lights keep on going on and off. So I'm confused. Very interesting. Anyway, so it's a navy blue color, but I just thought super casual, can be dressed up, can be dressed down. And that is everything I got. So there's actually some really good sales at the moment if you are looking for clothing or presents. This is probably the time to go and shop. I was really, really surprised. And that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.